Click Detailed Form icon. Select Activity. Click Expenses. Click Add. Type expense name as Specialist Consultant. Change activity type as Uniform over Activity. Add budgeted cost as $5. Format the Resources tab. Click Resources tab. Add actual unit. Set your user preferences. Click Edit. Click User Preferences. Change time and unit into days. Change the user preferences. Time units, units format, units per time to days, and see the difference.